Hi guys, what's going on? Today we will start a new course, new masterclass in interior design. If you are an architecture student or you are a designer or just want to learn interior design, this course is made especially for you and it's 100% free. I am making this course because when I wanted to learn interior design, I searched for a long time in many websites in order to learn interior design. But unfortunately, I didn't find any course explaining interior design from A to Z for free, of course. I was able to find informations and some basics, but I couldn't find a free one, teach it from A to Z. So I had to pay to learn interior design. Unfortunately, I decided to share this course for free with you guys because I know that architecture school is made to eat our money with projects, models and drawings tools. It's very expensive, so I want to help you because I know you are tired of spending money. This course is made up of 9 topics. We will go deep in each one of them. I promise you by the end of this course you will be very proficient in interior design. So the first thing we are going to learn is how to start the design process, and we will learn the design elements, how to start your interior design and stuff like this. Second, the principles of interior design. This topic will allow you to understand how to work with all of the objects, elements and colors and etc. in the room, and how everything is connected to each other. And then 3, we will start to build our home as an architect. It's our job to disturb rooms and decide where each room in the house are located. You can't just put rooms whenever you want. There are basics and rules you must apply. Then after we decide where each room is located, we will go deep in each room in the house and learn how to disturb furniture, how to design and things like that. 4, styles. I will speak about and teach you around 16 styles. We will go really deep in each one of them. 5, the most fun and wonderful topic is colors. In this topic, I can guarantee that you will be proficient with colors. And this might help you not only in interior design, but also in different sections as well. 6, lighting. You will be able to know that lighting is not just spotlights you will put in the ceiling. It's way more than that. And I will teach you how to disturb light, how to calculate lights in order to know how much lights does each room needs. Drawing lights, plan and etc. 7, materials. We will talk about materials types and how to choose materials, how to match materials together and etc. 8, fabric and wall treatment. And finally 9, how to work with the client. By the end of this course you will be proficient and all you need is to keep practicing. Keep in mind you can't be great if you didn't practice, and there is no need to rush. One video every day or every week. You can't take all these informations all in at once. Go step by step. Consider this course as your library you can back whenever you want. Actually, you can ask me anything you want. If there is another topic you want me to add to this course related to interior, I'll be glad to add it. I want you to know a little thing about this course, that I'm not going to tell you what material, color or style to choose. It's your decision according what you like, or should I say the client like. At the end, you will be a designer. You don't want anyone to tell you what to choose or what to do. You tell people. I can now at the moment tell you, for example, use a round mirror. It's very trendy. You can find it in the most fancy bathrooms. Use it with a frame, without frame, with lights around it or with hidden lights under it, and choose the bohemian style. I think it's very trendy these days. I can tell you what I think is trendy for millions of hours, but I'm not here to do that. I'm here to teach you how to do everything on your own with nobody's help, because at the end it's your choice. You probably now can't make the right choice, but with this course and when you start learning it, You will be able to make your own choice, match things together, see what works together, mix and match. You will be able to design. Anyway, what I'm trying to tell you that if I recommended a circular mirror, for example, you and I both like it maybe. But how does our opinion matter if your client doesn't like circular elements? If I told you what is trendy now, but you watch the video after couples of years, it's not necessarily to be trendy when you watch it. It's only a matter of time. Interior design is changing, architecture is changing, you are changing, nothing remains at the same way. I'm here to teach you the basics, the most important things to do. Then it's all your choice after you master the rules. Remember, master the rules so you can break them. Remember, what is good now, not necessarily to be good later. What is trendy now, it won't be trendy later. Put yourself as an example. When you look at an old picture and you say, what the hell I am wearing? What a shame. But it's not a shame, because what you were wearing, it was trendy. It was trendy back then, but it's not trendy anymore. And this was an intro to the course in order to know what you are going to learn. And that was all for today. Thank you for watching, but first, please, if you love architecture and you want to learn more about it, please consider subscribing. Have a nice day and good luck.